Here's some Jubilees. We're throwing some bedding down right now for them. Here's my lavender hen. This, I'm assuming, is my rooster. He's really small, not doing so well. The other one just died last week. I only had 3. There's my silver lace. These ones are getting pretty nice. So we got 3 hens, 5 roosters. There's 2 hens right there. This is Frizzle's baby. Rooster, but and that's supposed to be a buff Brahma. It's a rooster, obviously. And that's all. So we put some new bedding. Try not to freak them out too much because the hens are getting trampled. So we just put some new bedding in the new 4x8. Still a little dusty there, obviously. Put the windows down a bit. And we got all the babies still in this tent. So we got black Australorp, we got buff Brahma, we got golden lace Orpington. We got some barnyard mixes that I wanted to try out. So we mixed a Barrett Rock cross with the Silky mix. We mixed him with some black stars I had, and I got these. Kind of cool colors. Another one there. And I got some Jubilee Orpingtons over there. That's a golden lace. There's a buff Brahma, a darker one. Got some a little bit lighter and then some a little bit darker. Black Australorps. Another Jubilee. Golden lace. And that's my rooster Chubbs. He's a Barrett Rock Silky mix. That's his baby here. It's another rooster. Took after his dad with feathered legs. Anyway, doing all the water feeders over again. So out here right now, 3 different tents, getting them all set up. 4x8, another 4x8, and the silver lace Wyandottes and lavender Orpingtons, Jubilees in here. Mutt, that's Frizzles, she's a Silky mix. Small little hen. You know, babe. Yeah, they're hurt on your foot, eh? They trampled you. I think they hurt her foot. Yeah, they trampled you all down.